Take a look at this channel. It has nearly 300,000 subscribers and it only posts AI generated videos like this. You can see that all the videos on this channel have gotten a crazy amount of views. And if you're wondering, yes, this channel is fully monetized and earns thousands of dollars every month. You can do the exact same thing to earn money from your Faceless YouTube channel. Yes, in this video, I will show you step by step how you can create awesome videos like this using an awesome AI tool I recently discovered. Here is a quick example of what we are going to make today. I will try to keep it as detailed as possible, so make sure you pay attention and watch the video till the end. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called Katalist AI. I have been using this tool for a while and it is just amazing. The best part about this tool is you can just give it a prompt and it will automatically generate the scene images and videos with consistent characters. Isn't this awesome? Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. From here, click on Get Started Now and it will take you to the main interface. Now this is where all the magic happens. Here you will see three options. First, you can start everything from scratch and create your own video by clicking here. Next, you can just upload your script here and start creating the video. Or you can give it a simple prompt and the AI will take care of everything. First, let's try this option. This is the prompt section. You can give a simple prompt. From here, it could be very simple. You don't need to worry about giving it a detailed prompt. I will use the example prompt for this video and click on Generate Script. Then you need to wait for some time and let the AI generate the script. Once that's done, you can see that the AI has generated a detailed scene-by-scene script based on our prompt. You can go through every scene one by one, and if you want to make changes, just click on the pencil icon to edit the scene. Once you are done editing and modifying the script, just click Save. Now click on Next, and here you need to select the style of the video. As you can see, there are many styles available. I will keep it on cinematic, but you can choose any style you want and then click Next. Now, in this section, you need to select your character for the video. As you can see, Katalist has already generated the characters for us based on our script. You can use this character as is, or if you want to make some changes to it, you can click on the edit button. Here, you can change the appearance. As you can see, there are multiple options available. And if you're not satisfied with any of the default characters, you can start from scratch and create your own by clicking on this option. Here, you can give it a prompt for the kind of character you want and even upload reference face images. I'll just use the default character for now. After that, click Create Project and Katalist AI will start generating the images automatically for each and every scene. Here is the result. You can see that it has generated all the scenes with proper images and the images look good too. Now you can do all kinds of editing here. Firstly, if you want to add a new scene, just hover the cursor between the scenes and click on this plus icon to add a new scene. Then you need to give it a prompt to generate the image for the scene. I'll give this prompt and click on the play button to generate the image. Here is the output. You can see that it has generated the image nicely. Now let me show you how to edit each scene. First, click on the edit button on any of the scenes and it will open that particular scene in the editor. Here, you can see the prompt used to generate this particular image. If you want to change the image, you can give a new prompt here and click on Generate to create a new scene image. Next, you can also change the background from here. As you can see, there are multiple options available, or you can create your own background from here. Let's try this background and click Generate. Here is the output. You can see it has generated 4 different images with the new background. You can choose the one you like, or if you are not satisfied with the result, you can generate. Next, it also has the option to change the shot type of the scene. Here, you can see multiple shot options. You can choose the one you like. I'll choose this one and hit Generate. Here is the output. As you can see, it has generated 4 different images with the preferred shot. Isn't this amazing? This gives you a lot of freedom to generate the kind of shots you want. You can also change the camera angle if needed from here. I'll just keep it as the default settings. Now let me show you some of the best features of Katalist. First, you can adjust the posture of your character however you like. To do that, click on this icon and it will start analyzing the character. After that, you'll see something like this. Now from here, you can change the pose of your character. To do that, just double click on any of the nodes and move them around. For this image, I want to change the character's hand movements a little, so I'll double click on this node, move it accordingly, and then click Generate. Here is the output. Look at this. The AI has identified the input and changed the character's pose accordingly. Isn't this just awesome? Now you don't need to use hundreds of different prompts to generate the perfect images. You can do it all with ease using this tool. It also has the option to add elements using AI. To do that, click on the brush tool and adjust the brush size. then simply brush over the area where you want to add the element. Describe what you want to add in the prompt section and click generate. Here is the output. You can see it has added the element, nicely blending with the image. This is just awesome. Now once you are done with editing, click save and the scene will be updated. Now you need to follow these steps to edit all the scenes according to your liking. You can add or remove scenes and edit them however you like. And now to turn each image into a video, just turn this option on. After that, you can select whether you want to generate videos for each scene manually or all at once. I'll choose all at once and the AI will start generating the videos. This will take some time, so be patient. Here are the outputs. You can see it has added motion to each scene nicely, and all of them look awesome. If you want to change the motion, just click on edit, and you can adjust the motion strength here. Once you are satisfied with everything, click the export button and export the video. As you can see, there are multiple export options available. I'll choose the video option and export it. After exporting, you can edit it a little more and add voiceovers to make it more professional. Here is how it looks after the editing.
In a village far away, the people were very scared. A big dragon had come to their land, burning their fields and scaring everyone. One day, they decided to call for help. They sent a message to a brave knight named Sir Cedric. He was known for fighting dragons and helping people in need.
That looks stunning, doesn't it? Trust me, you can create so many amazing AI-generated videos like this and earn money from YouTube. You are only limited by your imagination. Pair these videos with a good story and good editing, and your videos will go viral. I've already made several tutorials on how to edit videos. You can check them out on my channel. Now let me show you how you can generate awesome videos from a custom script. First, come back to Katalist and now upload your script here, or just copy and paste it in this section. I'll paste this script that I've generated using ChatGPT, then click continue and let the AI analyze the script. As you can see, it has analyzed everything properly. Now click on next and choose the style for your video. I'll keep it cinematic and click next. Now in the characters section, you can see it has added multiple characters according to the script. You can go to each character and make adjustments if you want. I'll keep it like this and click create project. Here is the output. You can see it has beautifully crafted all the scenes. And if you look carefully, you can see that all the characters' faces are consistent throughout the scenes. This is awesome. Now, as demonstrated before, you can make all kinds of adjustments to each scene. You can also upload your own image and turn it into a video using Katalist if you want. I'll upload this image I generated earlier and click save. Now, before turning every scene into videos, make sure everything is perfect. Add any new scenes if needed and edit them. After that, click here to turn on the video button and turn everything into videos. Here are all the scene videos generated. As you can see, all the videos look awesome. Once you're happy with everything, click export to export the video. This is how it looks after some edits, adding voiceovers and background music. Isn't it awesome? You can use this tool to generate all kinds of different videos, whether they're movie trailers, historical videos, horror stories, or kids content. Take a look at this animated story I created using Katalist. Now to create animated scenes, select the animation style. While choosing the style here, then generate the scenes. You can see it has generated each scene in animation style. This tool really makes content creation easy and simple. You don't need to use different tools to generate images, videos, or scripts. You can do them all in Katalist. Soon, they will be launching a feature where you can add voiceovers and sound effects directly in Katalist. I put the link to this tool in the description, so make sure you check it out. Trust me, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.